Never heard of that insurance company that you just got a quote from? Maybe it's not such a big deal. Being an independent insurance agent, I have access to many companies. Now, there are plenty of companies out there that even I've never heard of, so I can't expect that the average policy purchaser will know every company either. Now, how I like to approach this is to always tell my clients about this company and specifically highlight one point that's usually on the quote, and it's the AM Best rating for that company. Every insurance company has a rating that refers to the likelihood that they will go insolvent, or that whether or not there's a chance that they will run out of money, they'll go bankrupt, or not be able to pay out claims. And a company that is highly rated has an A+ rating, and then of course A minus, and it goes down from there. You probably shouldn't take an insurance policy just off the bat without doing your research. If the company's rating is below an A, there are companies out there that maybe are below A that could write a good policy, but in most cases, you want to make sure that the company that you are expecting to pay claims, should they happen, is in a financial position to do so. Again, just because you've never heard of the company doesn't mean that they're a bad company. Chances are, if they're a company that you don't want to deal with, they have poor claims handling experience, or if there's been issues in the past, we all know how the internet will provide reviews and ratings and criticisms from other people that have experienced those things. So doing research on companies is always a good thing, but just because they don't have a commercial during the Super Bowl doesn't mean they're not a good insurance company. Just my 2 cents.